To begin your journey of excellence, the first question you have to ask yourself is what I know about myself. So if you start working inside out, you will be able to excel in whatever you are doing. So how you can work inside out? We have to find the core values. Finding core values is nothing but breaking the ice with ourselves. So when we do the training program, when we meet somebody, we break the ice by asking questions, by involving them in some activities, etc. So how you can break the ice with yourself is by working inside out. That is nothing but finding the core values, right? So you have to make a list of two things: what I want and why I want. When your why is clear, then your picture is clear. When the picture is clear, you need not worry at all. You will be able to achieve whatever you want in your life with excellence. There is a saying in NLP, God may forgive you for your mistakes, but your nervous system won't, unless and until you build that rapport with your nervous system. Your nervous system will be always trying to say something. Your nervous architecture is always trying to say something. Are you listening to it? You have to build that rapport with your subconscious mind. What you have to make your subconscious mind is your friend. So how can you make your subconscious mind your friend is by ecology testing, by going inside of you and finding out what is working, what is not working. If something is working, how you can make it better. If something is not working, then how you can work on the things to improve its performance. So with this process of understanding our subconscious mind and rejecting completely to leave the script given by someone else to you, and when you start writing your own script, right, how you like, what you like, and how you want to utilize your time, your resources, your energy, everything will fall on its place only when you make your subconscious mind your friend. If you visualize our conscious mind, unconscious mind and subconscious mind as a level, you can visualize the iceberg, right? The tip of the iceberg, what you can see is our conscious mind, and whatever we are showing outside, the attributes, the type of connection what we have with others, or the communication style, leadership style, all these are happening because of our conscious efforts and with our conscious mind. But what is there hidden in the unconscious level is some things which are unknowingly helping us to grow, and some things unknowingly they are pulling us back. We are not able to excel, right? So that everything is because of the unconscious skills hidden inside. And what about the subconscious? Subconscious is 75% of the total system, whatever we are observing right now in the iceberg model. So whatever we do at the conscious level is because of the subconscious programming. So where we need to change the way we are approaching our life, the way we are thinking and bringing and inviting the things in our life is at our subconscious level. So our nervous system should agree to our goals, our desires. Then you will be able to achieve it. Many a times it so happens that we think consciously, we make goals, we write the plan, everything, but it doesn't work as we expect. Why it doesn't work as we expect is because there is something lacking, that is called the rapport with the subconscious mind. Okay. So now what you have to do is the time. Time to what? Decide, commit and resolve. The moment the decision is taken, you start working towards your goal, right? So I'll be explaining how the decisions are made, how you can decide, how you can commit, and how you can resolve your issues, right? So decision or decide is the first step is to stop overthinking. So when in Hindi there is a saying, जब सोच लंबी हो जाती है तो फैसले कमजोर हो जाते हैं. So similarly, when we indulge ourselves in lot of overthinking, we are not able to decide anything in our life. So to take the proper decision, the first step is to stop overthinking. And the next one is we have to tap the extraordinary life. What is extraordinary life? Extraordinary life is the life on your own term. So when we dictate our life with our own terms, we are having our extraordinary life, right? So someone can arrest the body, but nobody can arrest the mind. Mind is its own freedom. Whenever we talk to ourselves, we should watch our tone, right? How we are talking to ourselves. So if you don't respect your own decisions, and with a meager voice, with a lower voice, no confidence in the voice, if you are giving out that, then your subconscious mind will completely reject. Application will be rejected. So the moment you watch your tone, the tone of inspiration, the tone of motivation, the tone which inspires you to achieve that goal, only then your decision you can carry out with your own strength, ability, and tapping on your own resource. When we talk about the extraordinary life which millions of people desire, and very few people are able to achieve this kind of life. So extraordinary life is a life of contribution. When you have the sense of contribution, then you have the extraordinary life. Then when you give the meaning to your life, when you are involved with a passion, whatever it may be. Passion is called as a fire within. There are some fires you cannot run away from. So the passion brings the extraordinary life. And if you are happy in your life, right? So only the happy people can spread the happiness. So happiness is the virtue of extraordinary life. Then the sense of fulfillment. Any success without fulfillment is a failure. So if you are successful, earning a lot of money, enjoying your life, but still when you look into you have no fulfillment, then you cannot tap on the extraordinary life. And the next virtue to attain extraordinary life is love. So with love, everything is possible. So whenever you feel happy that you are doing something, that's what will lead you to the extraordinary life. So to decide the thing, right, when we call it's the time to decide, then the decision once you take, you have to tap on the extraordinary life. And the next step is to commit. So how you can be committed to your own decisions? You have to get rid of limiting beliefs and self-doubt, right? Hoga ki nahi hoga, right? Oh, this goal is so huge. How am I going to achieve it, right? So your desires are there, your goals are there, your desires are there, your efforts are there. So once you feel that I am meeting it out, second time you feel I am lacking in that, third time you feel you are meeting it out. So your mind doesn't understand what's going on. So you have to get rid of the limiting beliefs whatever you are having. That is the step of committing yourself. And get rid of fear. Any kind of fear. What if I lose money? What if I am not becoming successful in this venture? Right? So ifs and buts will kill your commitment. So get rid of all your fears. And get rid of and break through the negative chatter. What is negative chatter? I can't. This I can't is a word, phrase which will destroy your confidence to whatever extent you can not imagine. To that extent your confidence is shattered, right? So you have to break through the negative chatter if you want to be committed. And the next step is to resolve. When you work inside out, you know about your issues. And when you know about your issues and then you decide that you want to get rid of those issues, then you decide, then you commit, then you tap the extraordinary life, and then the next step is actual resolution or resolving the issue. So resolving the issue starts with the first step, that is adopt empowering beliefs. So we have been telling to ourselves that it is not possible, I can't do it, how can I do it, I'm so little, I have limited resources, etc., etc., etc. So adopt empowering beliefs to resolve your issues. Then embrace the beauty of uncertainty. So everything seems to be uncertain at times. So embrace the beauty of uncertainty. Change is the only permanent thing in life. So accept it, embrace it, adopt it. Then focus on gratitude. Instead of staying focused on what I don't have, focus on the gratitude to feel about whatever good I am having. The next is to watch your environment. So just look around your environment, the people around you, the life what you are living, and find out the negative influences. So wherever you feel the negative influences are there, just simply shun them out of your life, because you want to achieve for what you are made for. So to achieve that goal, you need to watch your environment and look for the negative influences and totally nullify all of them so that you become successful. Then visualize what a perfect day means to you. So every day we live our life and find out that I would have done this, or I missed doing this, I missed calling that person, or I missed completing this project, etc. So decide what a perfect day means to you. That will help you to resolve your issues. So you will be able to invest your time properly in whatever you really think is worthwhile. Otherwise, you lose your time and you don't prioritize your priorities. So somebody else will rule over your time and take away your time, and you won't be able to achieve much in everyday life. So remember, a tiny step taken towards the right direction gives you the fulfillment, gives you the success. So think about your issues, decide to resolve them, commit yourself for the resolution and resolve the issues so that you tap on the extraordinary life you are desiring for. All the best.